Welcome to First Maryland Disability Trust YouTube channel. We're here to help you navigate disability planning and benefits. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and joining our community. When you subscribe, you'll continue to get updated when new videos are released, which is every other Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Whether you're a subscriber or not, you have the ability to leave comments and request topics. Share this information with others who need the information. Today, we're going to do a little deeper dive into advanced planning about what a trust can and cannot do under a Medicaid waiver. Because when families hear the word trust, many will assume it solves everything, or that at the very least, it's going to step in when they're no longer around. And it's understandable to think about them this way, because trusts are powerful tools. But under a developmental disabilities waiver, a trust is a support tool, not a replacement for services. In this video, we're going to talk plainly about what a trust can do, and just as importantly, what it cannot do when someone is receiving DD waiver services. As a quick reminder, this is a general educational information, and it should not be considered to be legal or financial advice. So what can a trust do? Well, a properly structured special needs trust can protect assets so they don't disqualify someone from supplemental security income, SSI, or Medicaid. It can pay for supplemental needs not covered by Medicaid or a Medicaid waiver. It can help coordinate spending. Because the trustee will be doing a budget with the beneficiary. And it can provide long-term financial stability. Trusts are excellent for improving quality of life and filling gaps. However, what they cannot do is they cannot replace developmental disability Medicaid waiver services. They cannot pay for services that Medicaid is supposed to cover. They cannot override waiver rules or service caps. And they cannot, unfortunately, fix poor planning decisions. If a service should be provided through the waiver, paying for it from the trust may create compliance problems. This matters because if you're using the funds incorrectly, you may trigger additional benefit reviews, create an overpayment issue, reduce long-term sustainability of the funds. This is why just pay for it from the trust is often bad advice, and you really need to take the time to talk to your trustee to make sure that you understand what they are and are not allowed to do. Coordination is the key. The most successful plans involve coordination between the family, anybody that's providing support, which could include waiver providers, if there's a representative payee, and a trustee. Everybody needs to know and stay in their lane. Trusts work best when they support, not substitute public benefits. Trusts are powerful. They're not magic. When used correctly, they can enhance independence and quality of life. When used incorrectly, they create risk. In future videos, we'll talk about planning for transitions, changes in housing, caregivers, and support needs over time. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or comments or topic ideas that you would like covered, please email us info@firstmdtrust.org. And as a reminder, this is not legal or financial advice. This is meant for educational only.